Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it, and now let's scroll down in order to find the security. Let's enter. Now we have to scroll down to find encryption and credentials, and as you can see right here, almost at the very bottom, we've got the clear credentials option. So let's tap on it simply and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, the credential search has been raised successfully. What is more, here we've got the evidence. We cannot tap on this option because obviously we just removed the certificates. And be aware that if you've got the screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.